Eliminex here. We're doing a green mouse service, meaning we're not using any poisons, outside or inside. This was requested by the client to do trapping only and exclusion. So we have we found out from air movement that mice were coming through here, also through the movement of the mice when we came back for our, I think we came back after 1 week after our initial program. We put all the devices, also the kitchen and laundry room, but also concentrate on the basement. And we put devices like cut glue monitors with seed bait and snap traps throughout. And then we put trays with seeds. We're pre-baiting that. No poisons, but we put seeds out, and that tells us sometimes they don't get caught on the glue boards, but they'll eat the seeds out of the tray, so that tells us if there's activity or not when we come back for the follow-up. The first week there must have been a lot of mice down here because a lot of all the monitors were knocked down on the floor as they were running across. And it's all clear. It's all clear. You see the traps, they're still alive. There's another trap. There. Let me get my flashlight. We usually don't put traps on the ground like the competitors. Most competitors would put the traps on the floor. And they don't, mice don't run around the floor. Usually they run along the top because they find the exit outside, and also they can go into the kitchen through the pipe chases, the pipe choices. And so right below the kitchen we got a mouse. I caught one. Expert placement. Perfection. I'm going to take that one. We have some other glue monitors. So no activity. No droppings. Even droppings would tell us something. I got that one though. But I did the final seal up. Our last service was 30 days ago. So we must have cut that mouse after we sealed up. There must have been one still in the house. So you see all the traps. Nothing got touched. So something must have come through the kitchen and got trapped right on that snap trap. I do have other devices in the kitchen. I'll go up there and show you now. I'm going to remove this mouse. I'm wearing gloves. Try to grab it. Little tiny baby mouse. Throw that away. Now that won't be run through the house anymore. I'll go show you our other trap placements. Our really cool devices that were set in the kitchen. Now come back and get my products. Let's see, droppings behind the dishwasher. I mean the washer and dryer. See the droppings down there? And then we have humane trap monitors up here. She has a pet dog, so indoor dog. So we don't have like snap traps up here, just like regular traps. So what we have under here, no poisons. There's a little glue board in there. That was put day one. No activity in the kitchen. We pulled the oven out, put traps there. When I came back from follow-up, we took that trap away and pushed the oven back after we sealed up. And then we have another device here. It's really clever. There are 2 snap traps inside and has markers. So when the yellow marker goes down, that means the trap has been triggered. It's really awesome. That way the client could call us to let us know if they caught something. So we'll know. That's a really good indicator. And also you look on top, there's some dust on top, so if you can see some footprints on top, if there were any. Then I have some outside mechanical traps we use for our commercial properties, and we set them outside, and they can catch multiple mice, up to a dozen per box. I don't know if you can see it out there. There's 2 of them out there. I catch every time I come. Monthly, I empty those traps, and we're just checking to see how many are out there versus if there's any activity inside. So if there's no activity inside, but we're catching them outside, we know the pest proofing is working. So we got 1 more month on this agreement. This was a total 4-month agreement, and now she's pest free, mouse free.